歡迎大家收聽8月2號嘅 Live with Sonic Boom， 我係你嘅主持 Steven。上個星期日，我哋正式舉辦咗2026年嘅 Sunshine Generations 歌唱比賽啦。我哋當晚嘅各得獎者咧，亦都誕生咗啦。今日咧，首先好想去恭喜所有嘅參賽者啦。當晚嘅 show 咧，我坐喺屏幕席咧係非常之感動。感動係因為見到好多參賽者由 auditions 去到呢個大 show 當日咧，進步好大啊！亦都覺得佢哋好有呢個 passion， 好有呢個熱誠。當晚亦都喺呢個台上咧係發放到出嚟，令大家係感受到嘅。所以首先恭喜晒8位嘅今年 Sunshine Generation 嘅 finalists 啦。但係講到得獎者啦，當晚誕生咗4位嘅。首先恭喜5號嘅 Philia 得到呢個網上最具人氣嘅獎啦。跟住現場最受歡迎同埋呢個颱風獎咧，都係由7號擺去獲得嘅。跟住全場總冠軍咧，當然就係我哋嘅3號 Yuna， 恭喜晒你哋啊！好期待見到你哋往後喺音樂上面嘅或者演藝入面嘅發展啦。咁亦都好多機會喺我哋電台未來嘅 show 上面咧，會見到佢哋嘅身影嘅。而當晚另外一個 highlight 咧，當然就係我哋嘅特別表演嘉賓 Chantel 姚焯菲，呢位年輕有實力，亦都係比賽誕生嘅一位歌手啊！咁難得我哋有一位從香港遠道而嚟嘅嘉賓咧，我今日亦都把握咗機會咧，捉咗佢上嚟同我做節目嘅。Hi
Chantel，Nice to see you。
歡迎你啊！其實我好想知道嘅就係你今次喺我哋 Sunshine Generations 呢個都係一個追夢嘅舞台上邊啦。你表演之後，你有啲咩感想啊？
其實我一路表演緊嘅時候咧，同埋喺個台嗰度見到咁多參賽者咧，係諗起我以前星夢比賽嘅時候，都即係嗰個感覺好熱血啦，同埋好青春啊咁樣咯。
絕對係嘅。
係啊，
嗰晚我喺度睇嘅 show 嘅時候，都係感受到大家嘅熱血啦。第一隻歌出嚟嘅時候，你都有機會同我哋上年嘅 Sunshine Generations 嘅 Champion 啦 Starry 啦，同埋最佳颱風嘅 Sophia 一齊合作啦。How was that?
It's so amazing. Actually， 我同 Starry 係好耐以前已經識噶啦。原來
喺香港嗰陣時，
喺香港好細個。Actually 湊佢大，我話8歲嘅時候，我哋已經識噶啦，係一個 drama school 咁樣嘅嘢。
Okay， 真係
But I don't think she remembers.
Really?
Yeah, but I remember her because she was kind of like one of my closest friends in the production.
Wow.
Yeah.
咁你呢個遇見，你係嚟之前已經知道定係嚟咗先
？No， 我哋喺個 changing room 嘅時候咧，咁我出嚟啦，跟住佢就話：Oh, by the way， 我識 Yumi 噶咁樣，咁 Yumi 係我一個好好嘅朋友，即係佢而家都喺韓國。咁跟住我就話：哦，係咩？And I was like, oh wait, you look so familiar. 我話 Are you Starry？ 跟住我話係，咁就原來係，即係我同 Yumi 都識佢咁樣，即係好耐以前嘅事。咁但係 it's just such a coincidence， 同埋好開心可以見到佢。
係咯，去到一個咁遠嘅地方都有熟悉嘅面孔，其實都 interesting 嘅。
係，同埋好犀利，佢哋兩個，即係都有喺台邊睇佢哋兩個表演啊嘛。
Right.
即係唔喺我個 part 嘅時候，即係佢哋有自己 individual 咁樣，我都有睇。
Right， 佢哋都係 lead 咗呢個開場啦。
Yeah.
咁你喺台後邊，你有冇機會同啲參賽者有分享到一啲心得？定有冇得 small talk 咧 ？Behind the scenes？Small
talk 就冇嘅，但係我有同一個主持人去，佢係男仔嚟嘅，我唔記得咗佢叫咩名。Kenneth 應該係佢，因為佢都有表演，跟住我都同佢講話好犀利，因為嗰首歌係好難唱。
應該係戀愛到
致死。
嗱，我知道你喺嚟多倫多表演之前咧，你就喺 Vancouver 嗰邊嘅 Sunshine Nations 啦。咁我會想問你，你喺 Vancouver 嗰個 experience 同埋 Toronto 嘅 experience， 其實最大分別係啲咩咧？
哇，最大分別係咩啊？我覺得係年紀好似呢度，因為我記得 Vancouver 嗰邊最細個係14歲，呢度係16歲，咁呢個係最大嘅分別。但係我覺得兩邊嘅人都唱得好勁，同埋係 wow 咁樣咯。同埋呢度觀眾多啲，係啦，多好多，係啊，所以我喺呢度唱比上次緊張咯，
反而會有緊張咗少少。係，我其實覺得你喺 Vancouver 表演完，又見到嗰邊一班嘅屬於我哋加拿大嘅即係年青同埋有夢想嘅人，唔多唔少都係會諗起你當初出道嘅時候，都係因為一個歌唱比賽而出道嘅。 咁你會覺得，如果佢哋想繼續去追尋佢哋嘅夢想，其實有啲咩建議俾佢哋咧？
哇！呢個好好嘅問題，我覺得係唔好唔記得你個初心咯。因為其實我哋可能做耐咗少少，就成日都唔記得咗，原來我哋入行嘅原因係因為我哋中意唱歌，即係會忘記咗呢個咁好嘅原因。咁同埋我覺得好好珍惜友誼啦，因為我而家同星夢傳奇嘅好多學員，即係都仲係好朋友。因為佢哋先係同我哋一齊成長嘅一啲人咯，
亦都係經歷過，
係啦，一樣嘅嘢嘅人。咁所以要好好珍惜，係咯，佢哋身邊嘅。
咁我亦都想同你講翻啦，你隻新歌啦，亦都係講夢想噶啦。想飛之內心獨白啦，其實當中嘅內容或者 the message when you want people to listen to it， 你想佢哋接收到嘅咩？
我希望佢哋知道，其實夢想係唔容易，即係你要去行你要去飛咧，其實係唔容易，因為有好多身邊有好多人會講好多嘢啦，或者你自己會 doubt 你自己啦。咁但係我覺得最重要都係要 you have to trust in yourself， 即係你要俾啲信心自己，同埋要堅持咯。係啦，咁同埋 especially 即係俾我嘅 fans 就係想俾佢哋知道我會同佢哋一齊飛。但係呢個係亦都係俾我自己打氣，因為有一段時間可能會覺得我去 New York 讀書未必係最好嘅一個選擇啦，跟住就會覺得我會有少少後悔啦。咁但係最後尾我就諗翻轉頭就會覺得，其實我喺嗰度學嘅嘢係真係 it's really irreplaceable。係咯，咁所以就我會即係提翻自己，同埋俾自己一個信心咯。
Right, because I know that was a really bold decision。咁頭先你亦都講到，其實有好多人喺你追夢嘅呢個過程，會有好多其他嘅説話俾你聽，或者 you know now this generation 喺網上有好多 you know comments can be wild。咁而家呢個年代想做一個 artist 或者想做一個網紅都好啦，or be seen， 其實都有好大機會 expose 自己去一啲 hate comments。And things like that, right？ 你有啲咩方法去唔俾呢啲嘢影響到你咧？ It's hard for a lot of people.
It's really hard, and I try not to look at those. I don't like purposefully avoid those comments, but if I do come across one, I just try to ignore what it says, or like 我唔需要太過去介意咯，即係我會盡量 unaffected 咯。係啊，
有一個好強大嘅 self trust and really like strong will to really deflect those things.
And I feel like I'm kind of immune.
Right. 咁其實呢個 immunity 係一個 superpower 嚟嘅。Congratulations.
Thank you.
On that. 嗱，我哋傾到呢度咧，我哋可以講過，翻嚟咧，不如傾下你之後翻香港有啲咩 projects 啊？
好啊。
Life with Sonic Boom。
好啦，翻到嚟 Life with Sonic Boom 咧，今日我繼續同我嘅特別嘉賓 Chantel 姚焯菲咧傾偈嘅。好想知道啦，嚟完我哋 Toronto 呢個表演啦，之後翻香港有啲咩 projects coming up？
咁其實最大件事嘅就係我嘅演唱會啦。咁就係8月29號。
Wow, congratulations!
Thank you. It's my first solo concert ever. So I'm really excited, but really nervous at the same time. It can be
understandable.
It's just, yeah. 咁除咗呢樣嘢之外，我嚟緊都會仲有幾個 show 都要練習啦。咁其實計翻都係得翻probably like a month。Right，
差唔多1個月啦。
係差唔多啦，咁所以就有好少時間去準備咯。
你呢個第一個個人演唱會啦，有啲咩你覺得係自己突破嘅，會展現到喺呢個台上俾大家，或者 is there something really fresh that people have not seen before from you?
Of course，我覺得有啲歌咧係我冇諗過會擺入去，即係經理人 suggest 嘅，但係我覺得又好似幾 refreshing 喎呢個歌，因為我冇唱過啲即係呢個類型啦，或者係少少舊歌翻唱咁樣咯。
OK，
咁但係亦都會有啲 cover songs 係我好想唱啦以前，但係我未必咁，因為我覺得哇好難啊，跟住又 即係總之覺得好 challenging，我唔敢擺入去嘛。咁但係今次我就覺得，如果有一個 solo concert 可以係全晚都係我自己一個唱歌，咁不如我就擺一個即係一個 medley 啦，或者一首歌係自己真係想唱嘅。
Right.
咁係幾 challenging，但係 I'm willing to accept this challenge. Yeah.
Right. 我覺得呢個係觀眾會好想見到嘅，especially 我覺得 artist challenge 自己或者 you put your vulnerability into the show， 其實係大家會好中意嘅。咁 aside from 揀自己想唱嘅歌，或者唱一啲你平時唔會唱嘅歌，會唔會有跳舞啊，或者其他嘅一啲 physically 都係 challenging 嘅嘢啊？
有啊，跳舞一定會啦。咁我應該會跳應該有2個舞種嘅，即係我應該唔止跳一個 type 嘅舞，一個 style 啦，咁所以應該我唔知道大家估唔估到係乜嘢咯，但係 if you know you know， 因為有一個係我好耐冇跳咯已經。
OK， 咁即係都唔算係新學嘅，只係 bring it back again。I see。你覺得仲有邊一 part 你覺得 you're really proud of that you got to have creative input into your own concert？I
think it's the entire theme for me。因為我係每一個 part 我都即係自己 design 佢嗰個 title 係乜嘢啦，或者即係每一個 part 佢嘅 theme 係乜嘢啦。Because it's like the whole flow that I designed, and that's something that I'm really proud of, and that my team also agrees on. Yeah.
Right. 咁即係當然你諗完嗰啲 themes， 咁 visually 或者 musically everything is the team
it just
brings
flows.
together for
Yeah.
you, right? I'm excited.
Thank you.
嗱，另外一樣嘢我 excited 嘅就通常我哋請咗啲嘉賓上嚟咧，都會嗌佢哋有冇機會喺我哋嘅 show 度 live 去展現佢哋音樂嘅才能咧。咁當然 for you it's singing。咁我哋今日會唔會有機會係聽到阿長洲你唱歌 for 我哋嘅 audience 啊？
可以啊，咁就唱我嘅新歌《上飛之內心獨白》啦。好啊。咁
我哋係有一段清唱。
好啊。
Okay, let's go.
OK。要見證我理想，別定義是妄想，輕飄的翅膀，別要低估太長的重量，要寄託我理想，未實現別中傷青春的笑容，讓我跟那麼較量，似飛鳥領地上樹木，無法不景仰，在某天喧嘩聲中，哪會放棄夢想
Thank you, Chantel.
Thank you.
That was great. 呢個之前真係冇定嘅，真係 on the spot 可以清唱嘅。I can tell you really love singing.
Oh, thank you.
Touch 嘅呢個。
好。
咁嗱，我哋今日嘅節目嘅時間咧，又剩翻好少啦。我哋喺完結節目之前咧，其實你有咩說話可以同我哋嘅 Toronto 嘅聽眾去講咧 ？Before you leave, you know, our beautiful country of Canada.
Okay. It was so nice meeting fans from Toronto and everyone from Toronto. They're just really sweet. And thank you so much for all your support. And 有啲 fans 係直情由即係第二度即係特登飛過嚟。So I'm just really, really thankful, really, really grateful. 同埋 just don't forget to be happy every day. 因為我覺得呢個非常之緊要啦，同埋don't forget your dreams， 即係 dream big 同埋 trust in yourself。
Thank you for that。臨尾我都仲有多一個 request 嘅，就係如果你要送一隻你嘅歌俾我哋嘅聽眾 ，What would it be today？
I would still choose 上飛之內心獨白，呢個係希望大家都 feel 到佢嘅意思啦，同埋即係大家都有夢想噶嘛，咁所以就堅守住你嘅夢想啦。
好啊，咁今日多謝上秋你上嚟接受我呢個訪問啦
，Thank you，
亦都分享咗好多你內心嘅嘢俾我哋啦 ，and reminding us to be happy and to dream so important。咁我哋今日咧嘅節目就完畢啦 ，Thank you again， 上秋，我哋下個星期再同大家 Live with Sonic Boom，拜拜，
拜拜。